Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best cake pan brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is a Ware 6-inch non-stick Springform Pan. No baker's cupboard is complete without a Springform Pan, and this is a durable option, thanks to its lightweight steel construction and stainless steel buckle. Springform pans are noted for their versatility and for excelling in baking delicate, crusted desserts and dishes, like cheesecakes. Not only is this pan thoughtfully designed to last, but Hiware graciously includes 50 pre-cut parchment linings. This pan is available in 6-inch, 7, 8, and 10 diameters, and all are designed to fit either a 6 or 8-quart pressure cooker. We really appreciate the chemical-free coating on this pan but concede to the irony of wishing that it was more non-stick. Despite the springform design and pre-cut parchment inserts, we still had to use a knife to separate the graham cracker crust of our cheesecake from the bottom of the pan. Fortunately, this pan is a cinch to clean and store and will undoubtedly become a constant companion in your baking adventures. Number 2. Our second best pick is Daddio's Anodized Aluminum Round Cake Pan. Whether you are already a pastry chef or a soon-to-be cake boss, this set might be your next set of professional bakeware. From the pro perspective, hard anodized aluminum construction is lightweight, durable, and offers incredibly rapid temperature adjustment. For the home baker, the set perfectly fits the batter from a single recipe, even a single box cake mix, and the 3-inch, 5, and 7 pans offer versatility at an affordable price. Why we make the distinction that these are best suited for a professional kitchen comes down to cleaning. These pans have a non-reactive finish which reduces chemical residue or off-putting metallic taste. But without a coating, they must be washed, or at least soaked, immediately after a cake is removed. Annoyingly, this is also another nesting set that doesn't stack quite evenly. But their durable aluminum construction makes it likely that these pans will last generations, even if they get knocked around in the cupboard. Number 3. Our third best pick is Wilton Perfect Results Non-Stick 9-inch Fluted Tube Pan. This is not only an exceptional value for a specialty cake pan but also offers superb cooking performance to back that value up. The heavy-gauge chromium steel is the secret behind its evenly distributed temperature profile. Wide, shallow grooves give your tube cakes a classic look but also contribute to an effortless release. Most importantly, this pan is designed with ease of use in mind. Solid handles offer an improved grip, and a wide lip is there to catch any extra batter, just in case your cake bubbles over while baking. This sturdy pan is surprisingly lightweight for its construction, but its overall size means storage can be a pain. We would also prefer that the non-stick coating was both PFOA and PTFE free. Additionally, it would be nice to have this pan available in a variety of sizes because its deep, 9-inch shape ends up making a big cake, so make sure you're ready to share the goods. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Daddio's Round Cheesecake Pan. This is, for all intents and purposes, identical to the pans included in the celebration set described previously. The main distinction is the removable, push-up style bottom, which makes it a great alternative to the classic Springform Pan. Just like the other Daddio's pans we tested, this is made with a lightweight, quick cooling, and impressively durable hard anodized aluminum, perfect for the rigors of a professional kitchen. Like the Hiware 6-inch Springform Pan, this cheesecake pan is designed to fit into a pressure cooker for easy baking. But unlike the Hiware, this one is offered in more sizes and depths to accommodate 3, as well as 6 and 8-quart instant pots. We only tested the miniature, 3-inch diameter pan, which was perfect for baking adorable, single-serving cakes or, in the case of a rich cheesecake, a perfectly shareable portion. The non-reactive aluminum cleans easily enough, just as long as you remember to soak it as soon as the cake is removed. While the push-up design works well for smaller cakes, we can see it providing a bit of trouble for clean removal of larger diameter cakes, at least until you perfect this style of removal. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Nordic Ware Platinum Collection Heritage Bundt Tube Pan. We absolutely love this one, not only for its unique design, but for its unsurpassed baking performance. Cast aluminum is very different from extruded or hammered alloy. The metal is actually poured into a cast rather than stripped or pounded thin, resulting in a pan with the heavy-duty durability of steel plus all of the heating and cooling benefits of aluminum. The cast construction gives this Bundt pan superb heat distribution, with the ability to produce intricate cakes that cook perfectly and pop out easily without falling apart. As a specialty item, this tube pan is not nearly as versatile as other bakeware we tested. It could best be improved with handles to help support its heavy weight, especially when removing it from the oven. It is designed with a beautifully complex shape that turns heads at any bake sale, but unfortunately, these deep grooves prove difficult to clean. Beyond those relatively minor flaws, it is simply tough to justify spending nearly twice as much on a Bundt pan that performs only marginally better, yet lacks the improved design characteristics of our top choice, this pan. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.